In this video, we will show the best Rakhi with Roli Chawal available to buy. At number 12. Special Rakhi Combo. Rakhi selected in this combo is hand-picked on the basis of trending designs. This Rakhi can also be worn as fancy bracelet post Rakshabandhan. At number 11. To the Nines Elegant Golden Rakhi. It contains one Rakhi with black box packaging, made of alloy, moly and artificial diamond. Adorn the wrist of your brother with great love and affection with this beautifully crafted Rakhi. At number 10. Rakshabandhan Puja Thali with Rakhi. It is free size standard Rakhi. It symbolizes a celebration of love and a promise of protection. At number 9. Rakshabandhan Special Rakhi Combo. Rakhi selected in this combo is hand-picked on the basis of trending designs. This Rakhi can also be worn as fancy bracelet post Rakshabandhan. At number 8. Tied Ribbons Rakhis for Rakshabandhan. This charming Rakhi is accompanied with an eloquent Rakhi card and complimentary Roli Chawal packets. At number 7. A Heli-AD Plastic Ring Pearl Rakhi. It is a stunning Rakhi designed with intricate carved pattern. Package contains one Rakhi, one greeting card and one Roli, one Chawal pack. At number 6. Dishankart Rakhi with Roli Chawal Tilak. This Rakhi is especially designed, handmade and handcrafted, so thread color may vary. Gift your brother this wonderful and fabulous looking Rakhi. At number 5. Quvyarts Bhaiya Bhabhi Rakhi. It is designer handmade Rakhi for the festive season. It is standard size Rakhi as a gesture of love. At number 4. Birva Store Special Rakhi with Roli and Chawal. It is the special Rakhi for Rakshabandhan with Roli and Chawal Rakhi for brother, which is skin-friendly and available in multi-color. At number 3. Rakshabandhan Rakhi Red Woollen Blend Bracelet. The designer patterns in the aesthetic style with shimmering glimpse highlights the true beauty of this traditional thread. At number 2. Sukkhi Elegant Kundan Rakhi. It can be worn as ethnic, with traditional outfits. It is designer traditional Rakhi which includes Roli Chawal and free greeting card. At number 1. Purpledip Marble Chowki Ganesha with Rakhi. It contains two classy Rakhis. Marble Ganesha statue on a Chowki. It includes one pack of Roli Chawal. It is the perfect Rakhi hamper for brother.